Hello friends, what is up? So in this video we are going to talk about what are the things that you can do right now to take advantage over your writing skills. And I'm not talking about any AI tool. This is something very simple that every one of us has on our macOS system preferences, and I'm talking about text replacement. And let me show you exactly what are the things that I do with it and how I utilize it to take advantage of this simple feature on macOS. In this video, I'll show you a few things that I'm using it for. The first thing is how I use it to avoid writing over and over again the same things, the same messages, the same, different things that I'm sending to people any single day or just using on my computer. How I use it to utilize my workflow with AI tools such as ChatGPT, which basically anyone uses right now and today. And there are many things that you'd be able to do with it. I'll show you some more examples in this video, and once you update this little feature, it will allow you to use it in all of your Mac OS and Apple ecosystem devices. So without further ado, which is something that I really like to say because I don't have like the English accent natural capabilities and it sounds really funny. So without further ado, let's get to it and begin using it now. The first thing that you need to do is go to System Settings, and I'm opening it with the Spotlight, and right now I will go to the general one. This is the basic one. Most of you will be over here in this page. You need to go to Accessibility and then to Keyboard, and it's on the keyboard settings, which is right over here. And there are many settings over here. We are not going to focus on each and every one of them. Let's go to text replacements. And as you can see right here, I'm using some of them right now. I will just put them out because there is one thing that you need to know. You can right click on it and then you'll have import and export options. Let's talk about the first thing that I'm always using. The first thing is to have my personal email and my job email, my work email on this text replacement because I'm writing it so many times during a day and I want it to be easy. Let's go with the plus, and when I'll hit it, I'll have another screen that I need to implement the information. So replace at with my personal email. So ericcohenmain@gmail.com. Add. That's a shortcut that would be available on every Apple device that I have, which is an amazing feature on the Apple ecosystem, and I highly suggest you to use it. So this is the first one. Let's add also the work one. So for me, work is JJ all the time. I don't know why. I was doing it once. Let's say that we are going to do a lot of other things. So let's think about ChatGPT, Arc, which is my favorite browser right now. And I have a lot of, conversations over here. Some of them are related to the content that I'm creating. And let's say that I'm creating a new chat, a new conversation, and I want you to react as a... This is something that most of us do every single day, right? Why won't we just like write text replacement for it? So I'm using a lot of let's think about one thing that I'm using most of the time. It would be rewrite it better or just write this better. So let's do plus. I'll go with www, replace with write this better. Add. Let's go to ChatGPT and then I'll just delete it and do www space. That's it. Okay, so now I will import the file that I was already building. I was already having all of my text replacement, and I will show you what are the things that I'm using it for. So let's begin. It was over here and it's on my other monitor so you can see it, but ta-da! It's over here. So the first thing is my email, and then I have triple A's for the whatsapp.me with my number to use as a link because I'm using a lot of WhatsApp while working, and sometimes I just need someone to have the link to my WhatsApp and I'm using it. It's really efficient. This is the first thing, and then I have JJJ, which is something that I always use to write ChatGPT. It's something that basically sums up what I want ChatGPT to behave like, what are the things that I want him to take in consideration while bringing me some results and answers. And then I have the work email, my Zoom, to my Zoom room that I use all the time to, you know, invite people to my Zoom. It's the same link every time, it doesn't change, so I just like can keep it on the text replacement, and then I'm just sending it, so whenever I'm just like adding my Zoom to anything, it will appear. SVV, it was something that I was using a long time ago. Actually, I can delete it, and then I have the Write This Better, which is something that I already showed you. Let's make sure that you understand how it works on real life, and I'll just bring up the Apple Notes one, and I'll do some text replacements. I always do typos with this word, never mind. And I'll do my Zoom. This is my Zoom link. That's correct, that's right, AAA for my WhatsApp link. Amazing. This is a great feature that I was using so many times, and it was so great. The JJJ for my the GGG, sorry, for my prompt for ChatGPT, and it's really long. I want you to take a second to you know, you can stop your screen and read it, and I want you to understand how many times I was writing it if I wasn't using the text replacement feature. This is really you know, a lot of text to write. Then I have also the JJ one and the my personal email one, which is just right here. What else I have? My Zoom. That's it. So let's create a new one, and I will just go with, I don't know, let's do QQQ with how are you, which is something that I do a lot of time. I write it many times a day. So whenever I use QQQ right now, it would replace it with this. It's not a lot, but when you are getting used to it, it will, you know, reduce a lot of friction. Let me know if you enjoyed it. If you have any question, just write it in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe, please. It really helps to grow this channel, and I really want this channel to grow. If this video was helping you in any way, make sure to share it with just one person. It will really help me. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. See you soon. Love you. Bye.